Okay, guys, welcome to my class. Welcome to my talk. Comprehensive input, the first one. Comprehensible inputs or comprehensive input, whatever you call. The first topic is going to be about the world that we are living in. I think this world is topsy-turvy world. What does it mean? What does it mean? Topsy-turvy. Topsy-turvy means that the world has changed a lot, more than we expected it would be. Topsy-turvy world. Most of the things changed in a drastic way that we can't understand. Most of the things are going crazy anymore. Most of the things are unpredictable. Unfortunately, we are no longer part of the logical world. The world has gone crazy already. Everybody talks in a crazy way. Everybody talks about the crazy things. Everybody feels some kind of anxiety. Topsy-turvy world. We are living in topsy-turvy world. Everything is complicated. Everything is complex. Sometimes we can't understand even simplest things in the life. Maybe technology contribute to that. Technology made our lives not simpler. Easier, but not simpler. Maybe made it more complicated than before, especially social media. Social media has affected many lives in a bad way. So maybe social media has contributed in a bad way to create topsy-turvy world. The world, as we know, has already collapsed. The world that we are living in right now is a topsy-turvy world. Take care of yourself, guys. This is the end of the first comprehensible or comprehensive input lesson. Take care of yourselves. I'll catch you on the next episode.